残酷な天使のように少年よ神話になれ青い風が今胸のドアを叩いても私だけをただ見つめて微笑んでるあなたそっとくれるもの求めることに夢中で運命さえまだ知らない痛いけな瞳だけどいつか気づくでしょうその背中には
What's up, my boys? What's up? How you doing? How you doing? My glasses went flying. My glasses went into the stratosphere for a moment. They don't exist anymore. No, seriously, where'd they go? Oh. Fuck, I'm fat, bro. I'm fat. What's up, Fracture? How you been on the swell? Hopefully for you weekend. I hope you're doing swell, my guy. I hope you're doing so swell. Let's go like this. Okay. Okay, why is this not even anymore? Oh, it's because... this makes sense now. This makes sense now. I hope you're doing swell, my guy. I hope you're doing so swell. Okay. You may be wondering, Jacob, what's on the agenda today? That's a good question. It's a very good question. As a fellow Clanka hater, we gotta learn how they work. We gotta learn how they think. We gotta learn what they do, the things that control their motivation. So today, of course, following this theme of being able to manipulate a clinker, we gotta learn how to do Python. That's exactly what we're gonna do. It's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna learn Python right now. Are we a little late? Yeah. About 3-4 hours again. But don't worry, that alarm clock is coming and we'll be on time someday in the near future. Hopefully, pray to God. Okay. Go like this. Let's go like this. Okay. Like this. Let's see. Okay, that's way too loud. I think that's pretty chill. I do think that is pretty chill. Okay. Today's gonna be a bussin' day. Today's gonna be a bussin' day. Well, let's go like this. Oh, I have not changed the title. Let's do that right now. Let's do that right now. Let's change the title. Give me a moment. Uno momento, por favor. Right here. Well, what's happening? Here we go. Day 26. Wait, gonna do this. Learning to program instead of doom scrolling. How many characters is this? 50. Ooh. I don't know if we like that. We don't really like that. That's a lot of characters right there. Oh, I guess my face is in the way. I think it works. Day 26. Okay, well, let's see real quick. How does Christian do it? How does he manage to fit all that yumminess inside of his titles? Let's see. Oh, so they do cut off for him. Oh, we can do this instead of bam, bam. Okay, 52 characters. It's not bad. Sorry, give me a moment, boys and gals. Statistically speaking, unlikely, but you exist. You exist. Okay, I like this. I like this a lot. 52 though. Oh, there you go. We can maybe go like this. 53. I think it looks good. Save. There we go. God, we are so late. I am so late. Okay. Dude, homie is growing at such a fast pace. Congratulations to freaking Sir Christian. He might get to freaking... I mean, he'd be crazy, but he might get to 2,000 subscribers today. That'd be insane. You know what we need to do? We need to do the same. We're gonna go like this. Goodbye for now, Sir Christian. Go like this. Where are the things? Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Go like this. I mean, is that volume too low? Actually, hold up. We're gonna change my volume just ever so slightly. Advanced audio properties. Yeah, we're gonna change it up just a little. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Ladies and sexy gentlemen. Let's get the move on. Okay. Pomodoro? Yeah, let's get Pomodoro. Pomodoro. Like this. Let's break you off. Let's go like this. What's up, my boy? Oh, wait, Lover Labs. You have changed your profile pic. You have changed your profile pic. Of course I remember you. What type of question is that? What type of question is that? Do I remember you? Silly man. Not? Definitely change your profile pic. Let's see. Let's go to your channel. Yeah. Definitely changed just a little bit. Just a little bit, my friend. My channel have nothing. But you have 12 subscribers, though. You have 12 subscribers. Look at that. 12 subscribers. W thumbnail right there. W thumbnail. I love it. Keep up. You should continue with this, my guy. You should continue. A month ago? Continue, bro. Continue with the grind. Got 12 subbies. 500 views, bro. Look at that. 500 views. Oh, shit. You know, we're going to watch a little bit of your thing. We're going to watch a little bit, yeah? What is this? What game is this? I'm gonna need you to 100% remove this video now, because Hacking is bad. Hacking is bad. Bad for the environment. Let's see. That is someone else account. I created cheats for shit games. You know what? That's kind of cool. Yeah, I guess. That's a cheat for shit game. I create cheats for shit game. That's a cheat for shit game. You know what? W though. It's cool that if you actually created this, that's fucking massive W. That's fucking sick. Okay, let's go like this. Where is it? About there. But yeah, it is nice seeing you again, my friend. It is very nice seeing you again. Let's go like this. Let's go like that. That's Free Fire. Let's see, go like the Pie Charm, obviously. Pie Charm. It'll open up. Oh, boys, what do you think? Oh, wait, that's the plan for today. What's the plan for today? Wonderful question, my friend. Wonderful question. So, here's the plan. Python. I know it's very sophisticated, very complicated, but Python. This is actually not where we're supposed to be. Am I new to Python? Kind of. Yeah, I'm pretty new to Python. Let's see. Python, we're at lists. I think we're at lists, and then we're at copy list, loop list, remove items from list. We can do this. Yeah, we can do this. A person hired me and paid me $200 for making a couple cheats for a cert. That's fucking massive. That's massive, my guy. I wish someone would pay me for creating hacks inside of video games. That would be the best job in the world. Is this your first programming? You mean like language? Is it my first programming language? No. My first programming language is C++ for the Arduino, but I need to touch up on it because if you're new here, I'm assuming you're new here, we are making a giant robot arm. This is just one of 8 BLDC motors that we're going to be using, and we're making a chonky boy. It's going to be a fun fucking time. We're going to make a chonky giant robot arm that can do a lot of cool stuff. If that's something you're interested in, my guy, you should consider subscribing. That'd be so awesome if you did. It really would. Let's see. I think you start on Jan 1. No, not January 1. It was actually like... It was like December 20th. December 20th or something. Am I a bachelor's in college? Nah. My friend, no. Sometimes I think I'm really lucky that I'm not in college. Other times I'm like, damn, I wish I was in college. But recently, I'm kind of glad that I'm not in college. It's just because it's very expensive. College is I live in America. America. Land of the shitty presidents. And yeah. So, I live in America. College is stupid expensive. I mean, stupid expensive. So I can't do that. But, yeah. Are you bachelors? Are you doing programming and stuff? Yeah, it was a waste of time unless you are in a better one. Exactly. Well said, my friend. Well said. Okay, the real question. Where the fuck are we inside of this today? Let's go like this. Let's move this. Let's move my fat face out of the way. What am I studying? Right now we're studying Python. It's the reason why we're studying Python. Very good question. Is for this guy. This is actually. Are you giving too much money to some? Are you giving too much money to Somalis? Oh, you mean the Somalian people? Here's the thing about that. We're gonna get a little political, just a little bit for a brief moment in time. Okay, just a little political. Here's the thing. Here's the thing about that. Is let's say you go back, I don't know, 50 years, and you had a community, I don't know, maybe they're black. Just call them black for now. And let's say that these individuals migrated to the United States, right? Legally or illegally. Here's the issue with saying, are we giving too much money to the Somalis? Here's the issue: is it's saying that I'm here because I have a coworker that's really against all the stuff that my government's doing with the Somalis. I personally believe, that we just need to look at it from an angle that is accounting for the fact that they're just humans at the end of the day. Sure, there are some people online that are saying not nasty things, but my friend, let's not be racist. It's literally as simple as that. Let's not be racist. Like if there are bad people, then obviously there are bad people, but there's always bad people. So let's not be too hasty with the Somalis. I don't know if that's your question was a little, you know what I mean? Like it was, am I giving too much money to the Somalis? It's really open ended. It's not opinionated, to say the least, which is good. I like that. But I guess what I'm trying to say is, whenever it comes to Somalis, let's not be racist. Sorry, just quick little thing. Okay. No, I mean, you completed 12th grade. Have I completed 12th grade? Yes, I have indeed graduated high school. He is from US. Maybe there is high school. Yeah, don't know till 12th. 12th or when? I'm not too sure what that means, my friend. I'm not too sure what that means. If you'd like to specify, that'd be bussin'. But yeah, I did a really poor job at elaborating on what my opinion is on the Somalis. But let's just not be racist. It's as simple as that. If there's a bad Somalian, well, then define how they're bad and, convict them in the court of law. But if, you know what I mean? It's like saying, oh, all black people are bad because one black person did this, or all white people are bad because one white person did this, or all Asians are bad because one Asian did this. It's like, brother, you know what I mean? It was a good question, though. Good question. Or not question, but good. It's a statement. Good statement. Okay. Completely off topic. Let's get back to programming these clankas. Okay. What the fuck is this? Oh, so yesterday we left off on this bit. We were trying to understand what the fuck, what the flying fajoozies this shit right here was. Oh, let's probably lock the fuck in and press. Let's click this. Let's click this. You full learning C++. We will be learning C++ like in depth soon again. Yeah. Because we need C++. This Arduino Mega, to communicate with this driver board, which is MakerBase ODrive Mini. So yeah, we're going to be learning C++ as well. Which, if you're curious, if you're trying to learn C++ or any programming language, look at this right there. You just click on this. Oh, well, let's go like this. C++. Look, you want to learn C++? Right fucking here. Right fucking here. It's got all of this goodiesness inside of it. Every single thing has multiple sub things, and all the things are good, and money. So yeah, that's where you should go if you want to learn how to do it. Are you a mechanical engineer? No, definitely not. Definitely not, my friend. Well, you get around, but no college would ever say I'm a mechanical engineer, ever, because I've never been to one. I think you must go with C first, because embedded C is a good to go option for embedded devices. We'll look into it once we get there, but this one specifically, like this Arduino, it runs off of C++. So we're going to use C++ because this is like the device we're going to be using. But yeah, we're probably going to learn C at one point, of course. Most certainly, my friend. Okay. So where is this? Okay, so I think we got. We're gonna try this one more time. We're gonna try out this thing I'm making. Sir Remo. Sir fucking Remo. It is nice seeing you again, my friend. It is nice seeing you again, my friend. It's very nice seeing you. Have you taken your test yet, my friend? Have you taken your test yet? Or is that coming up very soon? Let me know. Let me know, because I'm very curious, because I'm getting anxious for you. Let me know. All right, I think we're gonna do this quick little exercise real quick. What is the list method for removing stuff from the things? Pop. Let's go like this. It's coming in 2 days. Make sure you're studying, my friend. Make sure you're studying. Do you want to take this? Yes. Yeah, dude. I hope it goes well. I hope it goes really well. What's your aim by learning Python to get a job? Oh, absolutely not. Most certainly not. Definitely never. No, we are not getting a job by learning Python. I mean, for some people, it'd be worth it. Wait, I will studying. Best of luck, my guy. You continue studying, my guy. It is nice seeing you. Of course, it is so nice seeing you. Your energy is gonna be with the rest of the stream. Okay, your aura. It's gonna be here for the rest of the stream, and I appreciate you. I do. But you go study now, my boy. You go study, okay? Mwah. You have a good time. You have a great time. I will studying. Best of luck. Oh yeah, I just read that. Yeah. So what is my point of doing Python once again? Driver board. What does a driver board control? BLDC. What does this BLDC control? This actuator? You can do whatever the fuck you want with it. When anything that moves, which is anything in life, imagine that, but with 135 Newton meters. So let's say you're trying to build a robot arm, which that's what we're trying to do, then bust. So this is why we are learning Python. We're learning Python to control this, which this controls this, which this is controlled by this, through this, to this. I don't know if you even saw that. Why don't you watch tutorials instead of from website? It is okay. You are new. You are new here. Let me just show you a little quick thing. Bro code. Right here. We've watched a good majority of this. This is 12 hours long. You can see that, 12 hours long. We watched a good majority of this. And then if you were to go down here, you'll probably see it. What if we do Python tutorial? Python tutorial. And then if you go right here, wherever it is, wherever our boy just went, right here.
In this course, I'm going to teach you.
We have watched this whole thing. Many times actually. Many times. This is actually our second run through this thing. Yeah. So this is why. Good question though. Good question. Okay. We're to continue this exercise real quick, just because we need a. Okay, let's lock the fuck in. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna put chat behind here, where I can't see it for just a moment. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna lock the fuck in. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Okay, I've this guy. Okay. Let's go like this. Oh, boys. Hold on. I need to do something real quick, actually. Let's go like this. Just a moment. Uno momento. Bussin'. Bussin'. Okay. Thank you, boys, for joining us. Let's lock the fuck in. Okay. So, we are, as you know, hold on. As you likely already know, we are learning Python. So, this is just review. So, exercise, blah, 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 blah. Okay. What list method removes items from a list? Pop. Next question. Okay. Use the remove. Okay. Fruits.remove. Fruits dot remove. Remove. Okay, I think it's this one, right? But remove the fruits. Banana. So 0, 1. It's gonna be a 1, right? So 1, comma, and then we're gonna replace it with banana. Wait. Oh, we could just do this. Banana. Banana. I feel like this is wrong. Control C. But of course it's correct because my intellect is far superior than the average Joe. Is what I'd love to say if I was smarter than the average Joe, but that's not the case, which is okay, but we're going to get there someday. Okay, what will be the result of the following syntax? My list equals apple, banana, cherry. My list, pop, index 1, which is banana, 0, 1. Print my list. The following syntax is going to be apple, cherry. And of course it's correct. Of course it is. Are people in chat? Oh, what's up, Fracture? Thought I'm probably going to miss the stream today. I have things to do. I'm sorry, my guy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you can't make this one, but that's okay because you're gonna have an amazing time doing your. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy the hell out of it. I'm gonna enjoy the hell out of it. But you have a great time at either work, whatever the hell you may be doing, with black magic. You're probably doing black magic. Let's be honest. You're probably doing some wizardry. Probably hunting that deer that you saw in the that you showed us in the Discord. Probably gonna go hunt that deer down, or elk, or moose, or whatever the hell hooved animal that was. Let's see. Let's see. I'm learning. Oh, you're learning. Aspes. Sorry, I don't know your name. Aspes. 8Z. You're learning C++, but it's difficult AF. Oh, dude, I know it's difficult AF. Python's nice because it's intuitive. Like, look at this. 4I in. That's some easy shit right there. That makes sense. But whenever it comes to C++, it's like bing bong ding ding diddle. It doesn't make any sense. So yeah, dude, C++ is very difficult. I share your pain. We are to be learning C++ actually. Yeah, we're gonna be learning C++ eventually though. Like relearning it kinda. Not really relearning it, but learning it with the projects we do, which is gonna be fun. So I share your pain, my friend. Why don't you watch tutorials instead of use the thing, learn how to use it. Well said, my friend. Use the thing, learn how. Jesus fuck, dude. I'm glad that there was like, I had like a moment of like I felt someone being here. If I just looked over and I saw you right there, I would have lost it, dude. I would have fucking lost it. What's up?
So, dog.
This is a man of extreme dedication. He's basically a shaman monk. If the camera will fucking focus, yeah, look at his face, screenshot it, turn it into a deepfake porn. I'll get to you in a minute.
All right, I'll let you finish.
Yeah.
You have 20 minutes?
20. Yeah, I'll get to you in 20 minutes. All right. But yeah, so use the thing, learn how to use it. I 100% agree that using the thing is infinitely more useful. 100%. Let's see. Damn, there's so many people here off the bat. It's awesome. All right. Let's see. If you just watch Python tutorials without even writing a single code, that's a total waste of time. That's the thing, right? That's the thing. It's called tutorial hell. That's my friend. This is a very he's preaching to y'all. He's preaching to me as well, but he's preaching gospel, and we need to listen to it. If you're learning how to do programming language, Jesus Christ, focus camera, for the love of God. Don't get into. It's called tutorial hell. When you are watching tutorial after tutorial after tutorial, and it sucks. It sucks. Bum and ass and shit. So what you need to do is just have a project and learn as you build on the project. Then it's going to be applicable and you're going to actually embed it into your brain. But if you just watch a tutorial, you're not going to know how to program. This guy right here, Christian, Sir Christian. We're going to go right here. You know what he's doing? He's making a website and he learns it and then he makes the website immediately. He has right here, he has like his thing. He has his like tutorial that's teaching him, and then right over here, he's adding to his website. and he's making a profile that way, which is so sick. So yeah, you have to learn how to use it. That's paramount. Use it instead of learning how to use it. So yeah, W right there. Where the fuck did chat go? It keeps on disappearing. Okay. Yeah. Black magic? Yes, black magic. You don't mess with that shit. Anything happened to you since you've eaten that probably expired ham? Oh, definitely not expired. But yeah, I felt incredibly sick for about like a day. But then, you know, I felt great again. I felt great again because I had like at least 70 to 100 grams of protein in my stomach, and my body was just like, you just gotta take this shit. You just gotta evolve or die. Evolve or die. That was the two options that my body gave my stomach in that moment. Evolve or die. And it chose the former. Good luck, homie. Hey, I appreciate you, my guy. I appreciate you stopping by. Sincerely. I appreciate you. Thank you. Your words were you had some great wisdom here. You had some great wisdom. And we appreciate people with that type of wisdom. So thank you. I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good day. Okay. Let's lock the fuck in. Let's see. Select the correct for remove all items in the list. I know we've done this, boys. We are just reviewing the last day's shit. That's what we got to do. Okay, we're gonna do the del dot. Not clear. Yeah. So the del would be like this. Let's go like this. I'll show you guys how to use the del. Okay. The fuck would this do? No, let's 1 sec. Let's run this guy. This run. Okay, so we got all that. Makes sense. Let me just move my fucking face. Okay, so we have all this. From this, here's what we've got to do. We have to delete it. Hold up. Let me make sure Space PC is doing good. Oh, turned it off. For those of you that don't know what the hell I'm talking about, I have a microwave computer, which is superior to all. But yeah. Okay, so let's see. Let's just get rid of this for a moment. We're going to go, Del? Is that how you pronounce? Is that how it's done? Or is it Dill? Del. Del. This list. Oh my God. Lord have mercy. This list. Del this list. Print. Print. This list. Okay. So now what should happen is an error. Why? How did we do the del? Oh, okay. I see what I did wrong. That's so weird. Del this list. Did I not spell it correctly? No, I definitely did. Print this list. Is it a list? There's a list? Yeah. What the fuck's wrong? Oh, you guys can't see this. Okay, so we're just doing a review right now, obviously. DEL this list. Print this list. Okay, what if we were to just do this? Let's copy this, Control C. We can overwrite this because it's gonna put this new thing used to that. Print this list. PRINT this list. Print this list. Error. Why? Oh. Okay. See, I was being autistic right there. Look at that. This is why. Okay, so we have... Yo, what's up, my boy? What's up? I hope you're having a swell afternoon. That's totally right. Dude. That's fucking sick. Right now, we are currently in a locked-in session, but today I would love to look at it. If you would be able to, just like to show us just a little bit, I would love to look at it for a minute or two. Like, that shit looks... It was sick. It was sick as fuck. Oh, you got the waitlist going. Massive W. Massive W. We will do that, but right now we're currently locked in. But we're gonna be doing that. I mean, you can go do some other stuff. Maybe stay around. But for right now, for the next 13 minutes and 8 seconds, we got to be locked in. But I am looking forward to seeing this site. I am looking forward to seeing it. I was actually gonna email you. Not email. I was gonna Discord you today because I was so curious. I wanted to follow up and see what was going. Glad you could make it. All right. I can't talk cause it's all. I'll wait. No problem. Wonderful. I'm looking forward. His ass has not been locked in for the past 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. Okay. Only 2 minutes. Okay. It could have been worse. Okay. And we've been locked in, kind of. Okay. So here we have. We're trying to do this Dell. Just review. This is all review. The shit that we're gonna be getting to is like in a minute, but we're just doing review. We're just making sure that we can use this. Dell this list. Okay, Dell. Okay, so what if we were to do this? What if we do bracket? No, bracket, and then we're to do 0. No, we don't even do that. We just need to do, because it's gonna assume that it's. By doing this, it's going to assume that this is the start, and then we're going to do len list, this list. Len this list. Is that how we do this? Okay, go 0. I feel like I'm doing that right. Let's see. Oh man, we just got a great guy. Got a great guy on our stream. We will get that funding soon. Fucking massive W, bro. What is your startup about? Oh yeah, dude, you should yap about that. Like he has got a dude. Our guy, he's got an app going. He's got an app cooking up. It's busting. It's busting. Okay, let's go like this. Why is this not working? Because we're trying to find the length of this list. Wait, maybe. Let's see. That's the thing. DM me inside of Discord. DM me the link because oh, I have top chat on again. There we go. Okay. Because inside of YouTube chat, you cannot send links. This is on YouTube. I would allow you guys to do that, but unfortunately, YouTube does not want us to. So DM me the links to anything that you want to share, and then I'll be able to paste them into chat. Awesome. Yeah. Okay. So here's what we're trying to do. Type like this. A, B, C, D. Eh? What are you saying, my friend? Please elaborate. Type like this. A, B, C, D. Okay, so here's the thing, right? We have this list. We're trying to use this function. Oh, what's up, my guy? I hope you're having a good time. Yeah, that's a good idea. Good idea. Okay, let's see. My boy, I hope you're having a swell time. I hope you're having a swell time. Okay, so this list. So here's this 0. So right, we're gonna do this, right? Now this list. It's like this. Huh? This makes sense. Or it did, but now it doesn't. I'm so fucking lost. I'm so lost. Hold up. What the fuck's happening with this? Can also delete list completely. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Oh. Delete. Okay, guys, I see where I was being fucking retarded. So what I was trying to do was delete a list. Fucking obviously. Jesus Christ, dude. Sometimes my autism, it's like, it's kind of insane. Okay, so here's the problem. We were trying to delete the list. Delete. We're using the delete option. What we wanted to do is clear the fucking list to where it just clears it. Dot clear. We're going to go like this. Bam. Bam, bam. Dots. Clear. And then we should be able to print. That's exactly what we were looking for. That's exactly what we were looking for. That's, okay, massive W. Okay, and then we're just gonna, we can del this list, which is delete, and then there's gonna be no list to speak of. Del this list. Perfect. That's all we needed. Okay, let's move on. Actually, no, we have like one more thing. Okay, so clear. Remove all the items from the list. Remove all the items from the list, but keep the list is clear. Awesome. Okay. What is the correct syntax for looping through the items of the list? For X in, no. For X in, oh, I see. Okay, for X in print X. Yeah, this works. Okay, what the fuck's what's the difference between this and this? Oh, I see this guy. This guy's better because you need to, like, this is a statement. This is how you end it. For X in this, print. Okay, so it's this one. Oh, wait a second. I'm doing looping the list. This is the next goddamn thing. I love Labs. Join Jacob's Discord. Joined. Where? Lover Labs, you weren't in there? I swear to God, you were in there, my guy. I swear on everything that you were in there. Okay. Now we are on the next one. We have 5 minutes left. Okay. Let's go like this. All right. When the timer is over, can you help me present the guys? Can you help me present to the guys watching the startup? I would love to record this and then maybe use it for promo. You silly guy. I don't know if I'd be able to give a promotion worthy what's the word I'm looking for? Promotion worthy what is it called when you review, if that makes sense. But I'll give you a review. I don't know if it's gonna be like promotion worthy though. You know what I mean? Like promotion is something that's like you really want to take time on it. I would be just going on the fly. I don't know if that's like, you know what I mean? But feel free to, you know what I mean? Am I a developer? We clearly have a new individual in chat, which is awesome. Okay, real quick before I got sidetracked there. But yeah, not like a promotional. I just want to show my part, dude. If you think it's worthy, then, dude, you do you, my guy. You record as much as you want. This is all out there. You record it. Just don't make any deep fakes of me or anything. or do. No, don't do that. I feel it's great to get recognition and support, dude. When you have something as good as your freaking app was, dude. Let me tell you, like, it was so good and so usable. I know for everyone that's just joining, what we were yapping about is this guy in chat, our boy, he has created an app, right? And it is to help you focus. It's like it uses I guess a bit of Pomodoro, a little bit, and like it gamifies focus, which is it was such a cool idea. And he's wanting us to review the app. That is kind of what's happening. So and to answer your question, my guy, am I a developer? Yes, but not in the way that I've gone to college. Yeah, absolutely not. I've not gone to college, but I'm a developer in the sense that I like making shit, and that requires developing a skill to create. So in that sense, of course, I'm a developer. Are you a developer? Let me know, my guy. You should let me know. Are you a developer? If so, in what? Okay. We have 2 minutes 51 seconds. Let's fucking speed run the shit out of this. Python loops. Loop through a list. You can loop through a list going the for loop. Oh, everyone fucking knows this. Okay, print all items in the list. It's going to be list and then for x in list. Print x makes perfect sense. We don't need to go through this. This obviously makes sense. Learn more about the for. We already know most of the for loop. We already know most of this function. In Python for loops chapter, we're going to be getting there eventually. Let's see. Loop through the index number. You can also loop through the items, the list, by referring to their index number. So that would be like, okay, here's how we'd write that out real quick. It would be like len in range. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to keep this list, but here's what we're going to do. For poop in this list. For poop in this list. Bam. And here's what we're now going to do, right? We're going to do range. Range. We're going to do this. len. Len. And then I think we're going to do this list. I think so. This list. Fuck, what do we do after this? So what we're trying to do is we're going to loop through it. That's all we're doing. We're just showing that we can loop through it using the range and len function. That's all we're trying to do. Loop through this list. So now we do... Or do we just, like this, print, P-R-I-N-T, poop, right? Something seems wrong. I feel like there should be like another thing right here, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like that seems more intuitive. Okay, let's see. We're trying to get a list. If we can get all these things in a vertical list, then that'd be awesome. First fucking try. Oh, you guys didn't get to see that. Hold up. First fucking try. Look at that. That's all we needed. We just needed to print that out. So we know how to do that. We know how to do that well. I wouldn't use the word well, but we know how to do that. That is what I'll say. Let's click this. Let's move this back over here. Oh shit, we have 8 milliseconds left. Okay, this is so loud. I'm gonna turn on my volume. Wonderful. Okay, we're gonna play this. Pause it. We're gonna pause it for just a moment. Ooh, this is gonna be some fun shit. This is gonna be some fun shit. I'm looking forward to this. Oh, what the fuck are y'all saying in chat? Let's go like this. Oh, what's up, my guy? Nice seeing you. Trying to learn data. Ooh, you devious motherfucker. Let's see. Bro sniffed the... Sniffing it like some creatine, my guy. Let's see. You can also... Oh, so you're trying to do data? You have more patience than I do. I can say that with confidence. You have infinitely more patience than I do. Thank you for taking one for the team, my guy. Thank you for taking one for the team. You can also do for item and list. That's true, 100% true. Our only goal was to use this right here, this range and len function. That's it. Like, we already know how to like sort through things. We could have done like, for poop in this list, print poop. You know what I mean? It would have done the exact same thing. We were just trying to make sure that we remembered how to use the range and len function. That's all. But still, good that you know that, though. It's awesome. Wait, you don't need the range in this list. Yeah, it's 100% true. You already have 4 item in list. That's not doing anything there. Data takes time to learn. To the best of my knowledge, yeah. To the best of my knowledge, yeah. But you know, maybe I'm just maybe you're just so much of an intellect. Maybe okay. Here's the thing. You're probably just so much of an intellect. You're already up here. That for you doesn't take any time because you're just so smart. But for me, yeah, it takes a minute. It takes a minute. I can say that it takes a minute. Yeah, no, you're 100% right, my guy. Oh, it fucking disappeared. Data science. W. Silly. But yeah, our boy, this is what we're just trying to use the range. We're just trying to do that, right? We could have just done this. We could literally just do this. But no, that works almost too well. But our goal is to use this. Yeah, I don't. Yeah. Fuck. Yeah. Okay, let's go like this. You'll get back to this. Okay, what is this? To use that, you'll need a. That's what I was assuming. Oh, I'll check the dose root. Yeah, that's what I was assuming. You were gonna need this guy. I don't know if you guys could see that. I was assuming. Let's try that actually. It doesn't want an indent. Huh. Yeah. I don't know what it's trying to do, but it's trying to do some other stuff. That way it can increment it. That's why there's an error. Why is there an error now? Please elaborate. If I remove that, there's no error. Let's see. And also you need a for var in range. I'm not gonna lie, brother. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about, but that's okay. I do not need to know what everyone's talking about all the time. But right now, I really don't know what you're talking about. That's okay, though. That's okay. I don't know what's happening, but that's okay. That's fine. What is the purpose of this code? This code specifically, all we were trying to do... Sorry, I didn't really specify that. The purpose of this code specifically was we were just trying to utilize this little bit of code right here. Everything else we know how to do. We were just trying to make this loop through everything inside of this list. That's all. It was really, really self-explanatory. But I did not explain it, though. So it's a good question. Let's see. You see how the for loop in this list? Yeah, I get that it's a for loop. Yeah. Let's see. We'll check the Discord in just a second. I want to see what this guy's going on about. I'm very curious. Hold up. Oh, like this. This. Okay. So what are you yapping about? Let's see. So you see the for loop in this list. It sets poop to the first element, okay? Then sets to the next. That would be ideal. That's our, yeah, and so on. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do. But for the range len thing, this list, Now you need to iterate through poop by creating another for loop. Ah, my guy. By creating another for loop. Embedded for loop. I think this makes sense. I'm so bad at explaining stuff. Hey, dude, don't even worry about it, my guy. Hey, you try to explain something. That is what we want here. Okay? There are people on this planet. Let me say something real quick. It'll be just real quick. There are individuals that like just telling you you're wrong. And they don't like explaining why you're wrong or how you're wrong or how you can improve. And you know what you did? You said, "Hey, I think that this could be done better." And then you attempted to explain it. That's a big fucking W right there. That's a absolute massive fucking W. And we need more people like you. We need more people like you because you explain stuff. You take the time to explain stuff. So I appreciate that. Okay? you're not bad at explaining anything. I appreciate you very much. Okay? Let's see. You can't iterate through poop because poop is a string. I think poop is an index. It's referring to an index inside of this. So poop is a string, but you're I think I'm iterating through an you don't get to see it. My fat face is in the way. Aren't we looping through the index for poop in, right? So yeah, for poop in boom, print poop, and then you know what happens? It prints the index. Like if it was just one string, then it would iterate through the thing. Wait, it might be wrong about that. Oh, I might be wrong about that. You can iterate. You can iterate a string. Yeah. Don't worry about it, bro. Don't you even worry about it for a millisecond. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. But you know what I was thinking? You know what I was thinking? We're gonna check the Discord. Hold up. I want to make sure I don't dox any of my amazing individual friend. Actually, no, I could just do this. We're gonna look. Oh my god. We're gonna go over to our homie. Oh my god, for the love of shit. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna look at my big, beautiful forehead. Receding hairline? Who knows? Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to Discord. Sorry it's taking me so long, my guy. We're gonna go to here. Bam! Yo, what's good, man? We got the blah, 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 the thing. Be the first to unlock your potential. Join the exclusive waiting list for early access to On Life. On Life. That's a W thing right there. I'm just reading someone's Discord right now at the current moment, by the way. We're going to be reviewing his app shortly. Okay, so don't share it yet. Good to know. Good to know. Don't share it yet. I want to add something to the site, of course. I need you just to add the about sec. Oh yeah, hold on. Let me restart that. I need to just add the about section and then it's ready. I'll at you. Like, give me a couple minutes. Oh, do you need a couple minutes? Hold up. Are you still here in the thing on a memento? Let's go like this. Oh, where did chat go? Oh, here we go. Sorry guys, just give me a moment. We gotta do Yeds. Say yes? So you need a few more minutes, correct? You need a few more minutes? Take your time too. You got all the time in the world. Just updated the site. It's gonna be a couple of minutes. Okay, yeah, you take your time. Let me know when you're ready. Yeah, just let me know when you're ready. And also, you probably need to get to sleep soon, my guy. Nah, you're burning the midnight oil. You're working hard. We appreciate that. Okay, boys. Dude, thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing, my guy. That's that's what the hey for anyone that's curious. We're gonna go like this actually real quick. We're gonna go like this. For anyone that is curious, we're gonna go right here. We're going to go to YouTube. Oh, that's my movement. Nope, wrong thing. Go like this. Oh, let's go to this. Go to. I know there's a few more. There's a few new people here. If you are curious and want to share your like your projects, share just what you're working on. Like, look at this. I want to show you. Hold up. Let me once again. I need to make sure. Okay, yeah, we're good. If you want to share your projects and shit, join our Discord right here, because oh, what's up, my guy? What's up? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing so well. Because inside this Discord, we share our projects. Let's see. IRL photos. Where is it? Projects. Like, I want you guys to really fucking peek. But yeah, I want you guys to look at this real quick. This is the type of shit that's shared inside of our Discord. Look at this beautiful shit right here. Look at this. This is a 3D printed laptop. This is a 3D printed laptop. I want you to look at this. 3D printed laptop. Yeah, you're looking at that, right? So if this is something that you're interested in, stuff like this, like sharing your projects and doing awesome stuff like that, you know, then like join our Discord. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Streaming IRL photos. I think this is wrong. Gaming projects. That's where it was. There's like and you guys can share your GitHubs, stuff like that. Is that real? Yeah, of course it's real. It's in our Discord, my guy. Join our Discord and share your projects right now. It is right here. If you're curious, go to my channel page, press this join button, okay? And share your crazy ass fucking projects. I don't care if it's programming. I don't care if it's 3D printing. I don't care if you're remodeling a car. Join our Discord. And we would love to give you feedback. We'd love to yap and talk about it. And it's so awesome. Like, look at this guy. He went from this, homie operated it, like, it's so peak. It's so peak. So yeah, I appreciate every single one of you guys that have joined. Every single one of you that have subscribed. We're almost to 1,000. That's our goal. Actually, can't really see it. It's out of frame just a little bit. Move microphone. And focus camera. That's our goal. It's 1,000. Right now we are at that. Actually, hold up. I think we're up a little bit. We're up 2. We've gone up 2 subscribers. That's fucking massive W. Thank you, thank you, boys. What do I specialize in? Mostly autism, but with a little bit of ADHD. That's kind of my specialty right now. Yeah, I'm specialized in ADHD hard, really hard. But yeah, so that's kind of how that works. But whenever it comes to like robotics and shit, nothing, because we're learning. So I am not specialized in anything. But I am special. I'm especially on the spectrum. That's 100% true. We are on the spectrum for sure. Special spectrum for sure. Okay. 2 minutes. Wonderful. Boys, one moment. How do you wait? You know what a while loop is, right? Yes, we do know what a while loop is. Boys, why are we learning Python today? Okay. We'll explain this another time. It's been a little minute, okay? Okay, guys, it's been an hour, yeah. Well, I'll get to you in just a moment, All right, boys, so why are we learning how to do Python? For those of you that are new, why are we learning how to do Python? I know the people that have been here have heard this 1,000 times, but it's good to iterate. We're trying to build a robot arm that can jerk me off. Not really, but it's not out of the question. Okay, it's out of the question. But the point is we're trying to learn how to build a robot arm, okay? And the thing that's going to be controlling it is this guy. This is an Arduino. It runs on C++. But the robot arm, which is going to be comprised of this, which is a BLDC, brushless DC motor, with a gearbox on it, 1:48 gearbox ratio. This thing can push out some torque. 135 Newton meters. So basically it could probably lift your car if you it's like a winch, but tiny like this. So why are we learning Python? That's a great question. This is a great fucking question. Why are we wasting our hours and hours a day learning how to do Python? It's so that this thing, I wish we could just plug it into this, right? You know what you can plug into this? This guy, this is a servo motor. You can plug this straight into this and you'll be fine. You'll be absolutely fine. You'll have a great time. You'll have a jerkinator in like 20 seconds. It's that easy. But this guy's special. You know what he needs? He needs this thing. You know what this thing is right here? This thing right here is a MakerBase O-Drive Mini. It's a ESC, electronic speed controller, kind of. What it does is it controls this guy. You control this via Python. Does this make sense? You control this guy via Python. And then this guy connects to this, and then it communicates with this. So it's like this. This thing tells this thing how to turn this thing, and then there you go. The robot's jerking you off just like that. You're having a great time just like that. So yeah, this is exactly why we are building a robot arm. So if you are wanting to follow along with this robot arm journey with the Jerkinator 3000, that's okay. Let's be honest. That's what the fuck we're calling it from now on. We're calling it the Jerkinator 3000. If you want to see the Jerkinator 3000 come to life, subscribe for fucking more, because we're going to have a great time. We're going to learn a bunch of Python, a bunch of C++. And if you want, join our Discord, because there's amazing projects that people post like this. Oh, you can't see it. Amazing projects just like this. And it's awesome. Okay, and also people are sharing their websites, their apps. It's the coolest fucking thing in the world. So for everyone that just subscribed, I appreciate you, and everyone that has already been subscribed, you are the best. Thank you, boys. Thank you. Okay, here's the thing. I'm gonna take a 5-minute break because my friend is currently in my house, and he's about to go to Japan, and he is he's needing my attention at this moment. So I'm gonna be back. Okay, I'm gonna BRB after this 5 minutes. But everyone that just subscribed, I thank you so very much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining the Discord right here. I appreciate all of you. I'm going to be back in 5 minutes. And then once we're back in 5 minutes, we are going to check out, likely, our homies. When are you be back? I'll have the site ready. Okay, perfect. Yeah. We are going to check out our homies app/website once we get back. So we're going to have 5 minutes, okay? I love you, boys. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for the awesome fucking time that you guys provide. It's so awesome. Thank you, guys. It sucks. Right as I'm about to leave, we reach our peak concurrent viewers. We reach 14. So for everyone that just joined, we're building a robot arm, and we are learning Python. But to do that, we're going to need as much help as we can. So subscribe. I gotta go. I'll be back in 5 minutes. BRB, boys. BRB. I'm sorry. Today we were watching porn on Orange phone. Oh shit! I might have. Fuck! They kept a bunch of the boxes for... Dude, that's the one box that I ended up with. Hold up, maybe it's right here. Fuck! That's so unideal. That is so unideal. I might have fucked up, boys. I might have fucked up hard. I might. Oh, what's up, Sir Clippa? Clippa, we are currently just give us a minute, but dude, oh fuck, I might have fucked up. Say again? Boys, I'm so sorry. How the fuck is there 8 people here still? How the fuck is there still 8 people here? Guys, I'm gonna be just a minute. My boy's going to Japan very soon, so we gotta do a little bit. What the fuck? We gotta do a little bit of dialecting. Yeah, I'll be right back, boys. Okay.
This is my stream now. We're learning how to make a robot, so I don't have to jerk myself. Oh fuck! I didn't even know that was connected. Jacob just turned into Spider-Man right there.
Fucking Spidey senses. Nah, dude, I've dropped it so many times.
Alright, we got. Let's
Dude, we got 8 people watching right now. How do you feel? You're in a room with 8
hi
people.
8 people. Probably all
11
nerds.
people now.
All these nerds looking at me. It's okay though. I like nerds because I can manipulate them and call them autistic, and they just take it laying down. They're just like, yeah, I'm autistic. I just convinced this man he's autistic, honestly, and now he genuinely believes he's autistic. I just called him autistic so many times.
Is that?
That
No.
Nah, I love all you guys. You Python nerds.
A lot of them are actually better than Python nerds or C++. And
C++. I don't know what that means, but
Don't even worry about it.
all right, it sounds
Tell
childish.
your
Sounds
friend about my
childish.
C++ is the opposite of
Sounds
childish.
childish.
It is literally your brain would melt trying to understand it. Say ye.
What's his site? Tell me about his site.
Alright, so actually no, you'd love it. So basically his site is it's his name, just so I can get the name of it correct.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Is that Fracture?
Fracture is that worker.
Shame.
Oh fuck, what was the name of the site? Boy, what's the name of your site again? Fuck, what is it called?
Oni-chan?
Well, okay, point is
What's up, Oni-chan?
oh god.
Pull up! Pull up, Oni-chan!
But yeah, so basically the site, right? Is basically Pomodoro,
Okay.
but at the exact same time.
Oh, is this it?
No, this is a Pomodoro website, but so it's Pomodoro, but also it's like gamifying focus.
Okay.
So it's like it rewards you for staying focused and just
How does it
locking the
reward
fuck
you?
in.
Does it jack you off?
That's what we're gonna
via
be.
Robot arm?
That would be.
It sends you a robot arm package that every time you focus for more than 10 minutes, you get a nice sloppy. under
Yeah,
the
that'd be
table.
crazy. That'd be crazy.
New business idea. Listen up. I'm giving you guys ideas. Start cooking this up. I'll be your first customer.
Oh god. Oh god. But yeah, no, it's. I mean, I can probably show you in like a moment.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest on it. I am. I've been thinking about this for years now. I pitched this idea to Amazon, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk.
Elon Musk took it. That's why Optimus exists.
The military bought my idea,
Yeah.
and they use it on their soldiers.
It relaxes them. It relaxes the soldiers, bro.
Makes them more motivated to go risk their lives in a different country for oh.
We probably. Hold on. But yeah, boys, if you want to just give me just a moment or two, don't worry, we're gonna get to your website. I promise, my guy. I absolutely promise. We're just currently. Holy shit,
Dude, you're getting there. Getting there.
boys! Whoever the fuck just subscribed, I like go away. I went away, and we got more subscribers in my absence than we did when I was in the past.
Passive income.
Okay, dude, let's change the fucking whiteboard. We gotta change that whiteboard right now.
6.
It's at 9. 9. All right, boys, you want one more subscriber? Look at that. Uno más. One more, and we'll change it from a 3 to a 4. Come on, uno más, por favor, uno más.
That's a shitty number.
Is it a shitty knot? It's okay. Come on, uno más. Wait, actually, hold up, guys. I have a goal. There's 10 people here. Everyone, listen up. Listen the fuck up. Okay, we have a goal right now. We have a goal. We're gonna zoom in. Hold up. Let's go like this. We have a goal. You see this number? I'm gonna count to 3 in chat. Okay, I'm gonna be in chat so it's live. Okay, and what I need you guys to do is all to unsubscribe. Okay, And I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1, and as I press 1, I need you to either subscribe or no. If you subscribe right now, if you're not subscribed, but I'm gonna count to 3, and when I say 1, everyone just immediately unsubscribe. Okay? So I'm gonna refresh this. 41 W. Okay, massive W. We're at 41 now. Okay, so I want everyone to do. I'm gonna count to 3, 2, 1, and everyone that's in chat currently right now, unsubscribe. Okay, no matter who you are. I mean, you can subscribe again, but we just want to try something. Okay, let's go like this. Go to chat. Okay, we're gonna go 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Massive W right there. That's like what? That's 7 people? 6? That's 5 maybe? 5 people. Thank you. All right, and now here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna resubscribe, and I'm gonna count down again. Okay? You're gonna resubscribe. All right, let's go back. Okay, resubscribe in 3, 2, 1. All right. Just give it a moment. 41. Massive W. Massive W's to everyone that just subscribed. Oh shit, my fucking mic just broke. I appreciate it, boys. I would love to do that, but with like 40 people in chat. That'd be so fucking funny. But then we just keep on doing that, just going back and forth, and then eventually it's just going. You like just refresh it. It goes up 50, down 50, up 50, down 50. That would be the funniest fucking thing in the world. That'd be so fucking funny. Massive W, guys. Thank you for subscribing if you just did, because clearly a lot of you just did. We were at 64 like 3 seconds ago, or sorry, 34 just a second ago, but now we're at that. Road to 1,000. We'll get there. My boy, I'm sorry. We're gonna look at your website in just a minute. I'm sorry. I'm just so I'm very busy. That is done. Ready to go through. Okay. Let's see. You know what? We're gonna whip up a chair. You're gonna watch the web. You're gonna look at the website. Well, let me make sure. Hey, if you guys are PC builders, and oh my god, for the love of shit, if you're a PC builder and you like PCs, then subscribe if this looks sexy. Subscribe. Okay? That's what you need to do. You need to subscribe right now if that looks sexy as fuck and that turns you on. Okay? If I don't get at least 1 subscriber, then I am not attracting the right audience. Okay. Dude, my hair is looking fucking long. Okay. Alright, boys. Alright. We're gonna go to it right now. Let me make sure that our wonderful PC continues to be cooled down. Let's see. I'm ready to go like this. Okay. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Yo, guys, if you want to see my website, check out Jacob's Discord. Someone 3D printed a fucking laptop. Yeah. Isn't that a fucking W? Yeah, dude. There's some crazy. Join our Discord, boys. Join our fucking Discord and go and share your fucking projects, your crazy ass projects. The Discord, it's right here. Go to the Discord, okay? And share your awesome projects. Okay.
With the pen?
Dude, I saw that. I'm like, what the fuck did this guy do that? What's the Discord's name? I have no idea what it's called the Incubator, I think, actually. Hold up. It's called the Incubator. Can you see that pop up? The Incubator. Okay. Absolute peak. Okay, let's go like this. Okay. All right, boys, we are going to review our boys' website. All right, you were doing a peer review right now. Okay.
All right.
You're doing unpaid service,
All right.
but it is for a good cause because you're into focus, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. Is we're gonna be
dialed in.
we're dialed in exactly. We can put this over here.
Oh Jesus.
It's no, Silly. Okay.
Almost broke that.
Homie almost just broke our monitor. Okay, boys. So we got 13 people in here. Let's review our. Oh, I should probably.
Wait, where do you see that?
What do you mean number?
That people are watching.
Where? Current viewers.
13 people?
13 people.
What's the most you've ever got?
32,
32.
I think. 32. But 13 right now is pretty sick. Okay, boys. So let's lock the fuck in and let's review our homies' website. So it's called On Life. We're gonna wish list it right now. Okay, let's go to this. Hold up, let's make sure that he said some stuff.
It says wait list.
Yeah. Let's
He
see.
said wish list.
We're gonna do
It's
that.
more focused, I can see it. What you're talking about. I'm the most focused person to ever live.
Okay, boys, we're gonna go like this. Look at this, dude. Look how fucking clean this looks. Look how can we see, look how clean this looks,
That
boys.
looks clean. That looks like a real app. That looks like a real website.
Right, dude. Look at this. It's even changing as we speak. Like it's. Oh, dude.
Yo! Alright, master your attention, eliminate distractions, enter flow state in 5 minutes.
That's massive.
Okay, how are we gonna do that? How is that gonna happen?
Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wish list it. Hold up.
Email.
Is it fine if I leak my email?
No.
No. Okay.
Just flank this screen, just put your face up.
Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, guys, we're gonna put in my email right now. Go to this website, okay, boys? Go. Oh wait, my boy, can I let people join the website? Can I ask them? Oh yeah, okay. We're gonna do this.
Oh yeah, he says if you want to see my weight website, check it out on Jacob's Discord.
Yeah. Okay.
It's probably fine. Yeah, he says yes, please.
Yes. We got you, my boy. 1 second, guys. Okay, so we're gonna. Oh my god.
Oh my god. He needs our support.
Let's go like this.
Support this guy.
Copy.
Podrick.
I think that this will do it. Perfect. Guys, this is a wish list. You're gonna wish list our boy. Oh,
Wait.
we're gonna wait list / wish list the this website. Let's see. I'm gonna put in my email real quick. And if I dox myself, just don't email me too much, okay? Don't send me porn. This is Yep. That's yeah. Dude, my autism is immaculate. Join waitlist. Dude, that's sick. You even gotta verify your email. Oh, I was about to fucking Jesus.
Yeah.
You know, okay. Well, here's what we're gonna do, just real quick, because we are wish listing it right now. So we are just
Waitlist.
wish list. What you know what I'm saying? Awful, dude. That's look at this shit. Look how professional this is.
How long did this take to make, bro?
Yeah, how long does it take to make? Paste.
Don't tell me you used AI too much either, or else it's an immediate 0 out of 10.
I disagree. If AI is used in the right way, then it can be used. I believe that AI can be used in the right way. If you're, or there's so there's lazy AI programming, and then there's like assistive AI programming. That's what I'm learning.
There's a happy medium.
There's a happy medium. I believe that this was used in the happy.
Well,
Oh, no,
obviously,
it's just you.
it obviously works.
Exactly. Progress to free month. Let's see. Oh, we do like a bunch of other stuff. Oh, share your referral link.
Yo, pop
I
that
should
in.
have done this. Hold
Yeah,
up.
pop that in the.
All right, boys. I need you to unsubscribe with the other one, and I need you to do this one. Yeah, but I believe yeah.
I made it. How long did it take to make?
None of. Oh, hold up. Let's. You know, if I leak my email, it's fine. It's fine. I do not mind. Use this link though. Use the link that you're seeing. We're gonna refresh this. You're in. Copy. How do I go back? I want to see the. Can you show me the demo again, my friend? Because that thing was fucking like crazy.
Wait, I'm confused on what's going on.
Yeah, we were just. This is something else. Like this is wish listing it, but he had a demo available. Waitlist, is that what it's called?
Yeah, it said it.
Yeah. Waitlist. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Bro is
Stacking up his points. Get as many points as possible.
Yeah, we're gonna get as many points. All right, boys. If you're just joining us, click the link in. Oh my God, this. Okay, it's fine. Click the second link that I provided, and it's gonna waitlist for a amazing website that our homie is making.
What do you mean it will be made by professionals?
This,
The final app won't look like it's made by professionals.
so.
It
We already had it.
already looks like it's made by
Professional, dude. Right? It looks so good. Hold up. Let's go to. Where was it? Let's do. Where was it? Okay.
you already signed up.
Yeah. I don't care if I leak my email. It's fine. Just don't send me porn in my email, please. That would not be ideal. That's sick. Let's see.
A lot
Mass.
of people have killed it.
Right.
Screen went down.
Okay.
Alright,
So
demo.
what is? This is sick. Okay. We're not gonna read that. It's too much reading. Wait. Where do you see the demo? Do you see that on here?
Where?
No. Oh wait, homie, I need a demo, my guy. Can you send me over a demo? Send me over that demo that you had that one time. Oh, that was on your end, was it? I was just asking you to click through it. If you could send me a demo via the Discord link, I would love to be able to, like, you know what I mean? I can share. You can share screen it. We can do that. I think we can do that. Yeah. My only advice is if you want it would be not to pull on client for data refresh, just do a webhook or some, as the slow connection is what timed out is will time out consistently constant. Okay. I'm thinking that's a W idea. Okay. Yeah, I cannot read. Okay. You know what? That's what we're gonna do. That is what we're gonna do. You're just gonna be here for support. Okay, but I'm gonna have my headphones on. Okay. Actually, you know what I need you to do? I need you to go grab my headphones. Slave. They are on the couch. All right, boys. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a screen share. I need you to join. Where the fuck is it? We're gonna do channel chat right here. Your bro's gonna miss the flight. Oh, don't worry, he's not going to Japan right now, but he's leaving tomorrow to Japan, and that's awesome. Thank you. All right, so you're gonna be here for moral support, and you just get to look at it. You don't really get to hear what's going on, but that's okay because you just.
So it sounds like it's like a point-based system. Yeah.
This thing is useless. It's.
Dude, I watched the new Jujutsu Kaisen.
Dude, I was about to watch it last night, but I was like,
So fucking good.
is it good?
I'm rewatching the whole season 3. Rewatching the whole season 3 again, just so I can.
Dude, yeah,
It's
no.
good. Now I can speak fluent Japanese, dude.
He can speak fluent Japanese because he's a fluent manga reader.
Yo, what's up, Oni-chan?
Oh, your bro's gonna miss his flight?
Nah,
Maybe.
maybe.
Okay, guys, don't judge the design of the app. It's just something made with AI. I promise it will look insane. Dude, it already looks insane. It already looks insane. After we get funding trust. Okay, right? Yeah, funding trust. Yeah, right. It will be the craziest app, and it will work. We know it will work. Okay.
Where's the
Oh,
screen
he's
share?
right here. Okay, let me. Can you hear me, my guy? Hello. Hola. Hello. Wait, am I muted?
What's the title of
Can't
this?
talk.
Aggressively learning how to program.
Oh, did I mute him?
Press M
M?
for mute. Maybe that muted you.
Maybe.
No, you're green.
I'm
that-
green.
No, it's don't stop talking. Now talk.
Yeah, I can hear me. What about
Oh wait,
our boy?
unmute yourself.
Oh no, he can't talk. That's right.
Why not?
Hey Jacob, what do you do? Do you have a job and earn money, or do you just get money from? I wish. I fucking wish. That'd be nice if I got money from my parents. No, I work a job.
You clean shit off clothes.
I work a job. I have a job. And I do this, and hopefully one day I will only be doing this. But as it stands, that is not the case. Oh yeah, so our boy is mute. Could you screen share though? The reason why he can't talk is because he said it was late for him there. By the way, the app will connect to Apple Watch, and whoop, that's W. That's W. Oh, I do a screen share. Oh, I have to press watch stream. Jesus Christ, my bad, my boy. That's my bad. Okay, so this is okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk, and he's gonna kind of go through it, and I'm gonna try to do my best of explaining it. He's already explained it before, but for those of you that are interested and think that this looks cool, and are like, "Whoa, that seems like a really cool idea," if you scroll up inside of the YouTube chat, the latest link that I provided is going to be a wish list, a wait list. Sorry, it's going to be a wait list for it. Okay. He's now going to go through it, and if you think it's cool, then go wait list it. He made this. All right, go on, my friend. So let's see. What are you working on today? Look at that.
He wants to read
Look at that. Read
25
minutes.
minutes.
Bam.
And then you can add a minute on the bottom. You got music.
Nice, nice. Nice. You can plus a minute.
Is that music
Ooh.
built in?
Oh, end session early. You still have. Oh, that's sick. That's sick. Look at that. Gamified, guys. So I'm sure there's going to be a gnarly reward system. Hold up. Can we make this bigger somehow? Hold up. Just one moment, my guy. Oh, look.
Do you have like a website for like a
He
computer?
does have a website. Once we're done with the app version, we're going to go to the website.
Progress.
So this is a gamified focus app. It's gamified, which is awesome. Look at this. You have streaks. You have time and flow. What is this? Tasks completed. So basically, it's almost like a habit tracker, and it's like gamified habit tracker. Look at that. Flow rate, 40%. Oh my God. This is sick. This is so sick. I do wish we could hear him. That would be so nice. I do wish we could hear him. Add caffeine. I love that. That's sick. That's sick. How many? Damn, we got. Dude, you got an audience right now.
Yo, does it grow?
Start your garden. Yeah. So this was like one of the things where he was talking about. I'm trying to remember it because it was a little while ago, where like you start like a plant or something like that. I think it was a plant. I might be mistaken. Oh, are you able to whisper, my guy? Could you like whisper? I really want to hear you. Oh, I really want to hear you.
What'd you do?
What'd I do? Yo. Okay, here we go. So basically, okay, he's gonna type it out. You have short-term flow sessions and long-term. Yeah. You continue. You write all you need.
I don't see any corners.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, and it's like you grow plants. Each plant equals one flow state session, and you like have a digital garden. That's pretty sick. It's gamified. Gamified. It's gonna have crazy design. It already like if you guys have seen like the website, it's the design's already crazy. The design is already crazy. Let's see. Can't hurt. Oh, you can hear me now. Okay, good. Let's see. It will look like Animal Crossing kind of. We are gonna invert like 20 invert. Oh, invest. Jesus Christ, my dyslexia is great. We're gonna invest like 20K into the design at least.
Damn.
Right? That's kind of insane. That's what I mean by professional. Dude, it already looks good too. It already looks really good.
How are you gonna like market it? Like, how are you gonna sell it to the masses?
He's kind of specified on that a little bit, but I mean also just like
social media.
social media.
Hell yeah, dude.
Let's see. It's gonna be psychologically backed. He talked about that. So it's kind of like Duolingo, to where it's gonna give you an incentive. Hold up one second. Let me read this. So it's gonna be psychologically backed. So like you will really be able to get into the flow state and with our app. That's W. That's a massive W.
That's pretty sick.
When you want to flow state on demand. That's what I'm talking about. When you want to flow state on demand. Massive W, my guy. That's a massive W. But yeah, if what you just saw was a massive W, look at this, dude. Look at this design.
And this is like a rough draft.
This is a rough draft. Look at this, dude. Damn, that's what I'm talking about. As you do more tasks, the garden will grow. That's sick, dude. It's kind of like, what is that one game? The monster game, or like My Singing Monsters, to where you just want to like grow it more and more. But it's with flow. It's dude. Okay, you know what this is fucking like? This is like with solo leveling, bro. It's like your own personal like thing to where you can like you're solo leveling, but it's for a garden. But like in real life, you're actually like leveling up, which is sick.
What's it called?
It's called On Life. On Life.
Oh,
On right? On Life. Yeah. I keep on forgetting.
yeah, it's on.
Yeah. Oh, what's up, my boy? Glad you're here. You've been here for a minute. I remember seeing you a minute ago. But damn, we got a number of people. It's sick. Okay. Look at this, dude. So there's a leadership. So there's like competition. That's sick, dude.
Dang.
It's competition, brother. That's a massive W. And we're gonna have real life prize. Ooh, that's gonna sell it, bro. Dude, think about that.
Sick.
That's pretty sick. I would fucking do that.
Giveaways.
Giveaways, dude.
Will you be able to like make like your own little clans, like so you can have like all your friends in one thing? Oh, he says yes.
Dude,
Dude, that's kind of sick.
that's fucking sick.
It's gonna be literally like a game, but you're upgrading.
IRL. That's what we want.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to do the solo leveling, if you want to try out the solo leveling like thing where you like upgrade IRL stats, bro, wish list it right now. It is, if you scroll up inside of chat, if you scroll up, go right here and waitlist it. Go and waitlist it now, okay? That is massive W. Massive freaking W right there. Dude, that's awesome. That is awesome. That just gave me a seizure. But yeah, dude, that's so sick.
Nice.
I also have a Discord server. Maybe Jacob can help me promote it in his server. Send me my thing. We're not gonna do that on stream right now, but we'll do that. We're gonna don't worry, we'll do some nice promotion of it. Not on stream currently because we do. What time is it? Holy shit! Jesus Christ! I need to get to work and like fucking soon. Okay, my guy, we appreciate you so much for sharing that shit. That was so awesome. Thank you for showing us. Everyone that was really curious and wants to do the IRL solo leveling up, but like you level up stats like focus and let's say you're meditating, whatever the hell it is you want to work on, put it inside of that app, and I feel confident that it'd help you. You know, there's social backing. There's like you like socially you're gonna be like, what's the word? Incentivized to like focus, especially if you're like in a group or something like that instead of like a clan. You know, massive W, bro. That's a W website. I appreciate you sharing it, my guy. I really, really do. All right, let's go like this. Hold up. Do we get any subscribers? I don't think we would have gotten any subscribers. Oh, we got a subscriber. Massive W. Go change that board right now, boy. Go change that board. Let's see. Oh, I should probably exit this guy, right? Yeah. It does sound weird. This is such a sick. This is so sick. It's so professional too. Oh yeah, go waitlist it, guys. Absolutely, my boy. Absolutely. And I'm looking forward to seeing what the hell you come up with inside of the near future. It is Gonna be absolutely bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. Bro is on something. You're damn right. A level up with your friends is such a good selling point.
Yeah.
Level up with your friends, bro. That's Sir Clipper. My Clipper, my Clipper. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be W. All right. Gather. So okay. If I haven't read your chat, don't worry. Whenever I go back and edit these streams, I read every single one of the chats. So yeah, don't you worry. I read every single one of them. Thank you, boys. All right. What we're gonna be doing is taking like a 5-minute break. You can go elsewhere if you need. In the meantime, I want to say thank you, boys. Wait, let's see. Add task, time to focus, or start short break. Of course, there's new people right now. All right. I just joined. Can you tell me what it is? Bro, what even is this? Okay. What we just have. If you go back in the stream, just a minute, we were reviewing our friend's website. That hopefully he'll get funding for very soon. And that's what that was. But what we're doing on the website right now, sorry, what we're going to be doing is taking a break, and then once we get back from the break, what we're going to do is we're going to start programming in Python again, because we're learning Python to build a robot arm so that it can jerk us off or whatever, all that fun stuff. So yeah, boys, I'm going to start a quick little break. Thank you guys for joining. Do you have Discord? Oh, wonderful question right here. If you go to my channel page, go to my channel page. For you, it'll be like right below, somewhere right here. Go to the channel page and then go right here. Join the Discord and share your projects. Like, look at this shit. I'll show you guys right now. Let's see. Opening Discord. Damn, we got a few new members today. That's massive. How did the call go? It was excellent. Just a moment, Sir Oren. Join the Discord and share your dope what the fuck is this? Oh, this is the mods thing. Go and share your crazy projects. No, you can't see because my fat face is in the way again. Yeah, share your crazy projects and shit like that. Go and have a good time. But yeah, I'm gonna take a 5-minute break. That's what I'm gonna do. We'll be back to program in just a minute. Let's get this. We're gonna start that. All right. I'll see you boys in 5 minutes and 55 seconds. How you doing, my boys? How you doing? I hope you're doing swell. So that was 5 minutes of your life that you're never gonna get back. But that's okay. Why the fuck is this turn? I'm waiting on my ass. What we did, we got a bunch of ham, dude. You know what's crazy? You can get a giant ass ham for $10, but you know what's not crazy? The fact that I just leaked a bunch of mustard on my fucking mic. There we go. Busting. Alright. Alright. We're gonna lock the fuck in again. Oh. No need for this because we don't even have 25 minutes. Well, where's chat? Where'd you guys go? Oh, here we are. Oh, what's up, my boy? Alright, Clippa, nice to seeing you again. I was had a bit of a doozy there. All right, boys. So let's lock the fuck in again. For everyone that's here and joined, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate it sincerely. It's awesome having every single one of you guys here, just yapping in chat, having a great fucking time. And I hope that you guys are having a swell time. I really do. I hope you're having a swell time. Excuse me. Sir Ramo has returned. Sir Ramo has returned. It's nice seeing you again. Okay, yo, where is she? Did you just call me a she? Maybe you accidentally put an S. You accidentally put an S in front of that. That's what happened. Wow. One more girl come. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck are you? Oh my god. No, I call you she. My flex was so powerful that I knocked over the fucking fan that was cooling down the microwave supercomputer. Fear me. Okay. Okay, boys. Oh my god, for the love of shit. Okay, boys. Let's lock the fucking we have Python to learn. Show me your biceps. And how old are you? I want you to take a guess. First one to guess gets a big kiss on the lips from me. Let's see. Okay, boys, let's lock the fuck in. We have actually hold up. Actually, uno momento. I need a piss. I'll be like 3 seconds. There's like no audio. Why? I love oil, so I bought it and dip some rosemary and apply it to hair. Now I'm bald, so I'm oiling up. Why are you leaving me out of this, brother? You're oiling up, but you're leaving me out of this? Don't you dare oil up without me again. Okay, I'm gonna take that as a you were just oiling up yourself before I can oil myself up to where we can be oiled up together. That's what I'm gonna take that as. Okay, that's what I'm gonna take that as. All right, boys. If you're just joining, we're gonna get back to programming in 3 seconds. I just have to empty my bladder. I see your nipple. That requires a subscription, my friend. Well, you just saw requires a subscription to see. You want any further, you go to jacobsdiscord.com right here. You go to Jacob's Discord. If you want any more, my friend, you go right here. Holy shit, we got another subscriber. That's fucking massive. That's fucking massive, brother. You go right... Oh, you can't even see it. You go right here, okay? You go right there. If you want any more, that requires a subscription. And go share your projects in there, too. I'm gonna empty my bladder. You guys are silly. How you boys doing, eh? How you boys doing? I hope you boys are doing swell. Shall we lock the fucking boys? Shall we lock the fucking? Let's learn some Python. Let's learn some Python, boys. Let's learn some fucking Python, yeah? Huh? Now lock in and oil up. Alright, boys, let's lock the fuck in and oil up. Alright, let's go like this. Oh, this is about to be the craziest oil up session of our lives. Okay, boys, the demon clock is coming out. Okay, so 35. Oof. Okay, this sucks, but we have 9 minutes. We have 9. No, we have 10 minutes. We have 10 minutes, boys. We have to learn about the next thing inside of W3 schools in 10 minutes. Once this timer goes off and it makes this noise, that means it's time to remove the oil and go to work, okay? But for now, let's oil the fuck up and get to working. Okay, boys. Let's lock the fuck in, yeah? Let's lock the fuck in. Like this. Oh, where are we at? I think we can go like this. Go like this. Give me a moment, boys. Oh, that's why that's doing that. This. No, this. And then Pytron right here. Just go right there. Here. Here. Massive. 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 Okay, boys. Let's lock the fuck in. If you're just joining us, we are learning Python right fucking now. Why? To build a robot arm, the Jerkinator 3000, it's been termed. We're just calling it the Jerkinator 3000 for now because it's just, that's fucking peak. We're learning Python because this thing right here is a driver. It drives this guy. This thing requires Python. If you want to join us and you want to join us on the start of this journey, the creation of the Jerkinator 3000, subscribe and join the fucking Discord, and we're gonna have a great fucking time. For all of you that have already joined, thank you so very much. Wet, slobbery kisses for you. Okay, boys. Let's actually, hold up. We're gonna do something real quick. Like that. All right, boys. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Seems like someone, how's it go? That is the thing that rotates in your Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, we're gonna lock the fucking. Okay. Loops. Okay, we already know about loops. This is gonna be a quick little pickle. Okay, so for X in blank, we already know how to do this. Done it right there. Actually, hold up. Let's make me go down just a tiny bit. It's okay. Just never do that again. It's okay. Okay. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're right here. Oh, let's go like this. Bam. If you have watched these streams before, you would know the answer to that. But I'm gonna say for now, big old US of A, where we have borderline dementia-ridden presidents constantly. Okay. You need a membership to do that. Sub to OG. Exactly. Said well, my friend. Said well. Said very well, my friend. Okay, let's lock the fucking. Okay. We already know how to use this range and len function. We're not too sure as of what the fuck it does, but it does something, and that's the important thing. Our code doesn't throw an error when we throw that in, so looks like it works. Okay. For I in range. Okay, so here's what this is doing. We have a list, right? Oh. Dude, look at this, guys. Look at this. We have just come across something sexy. Very sexy. Hold up, let me move that just a little bit more. We have just come across something very sexy. I was very curious before. Where the fuck's my cursor? I was curious as of to what the fuck this does. But you can see how there's a for loop inside of it. You see how we put this inside of the for loop? It is supposed to be the for loop. The for loop is supposed to iterate through it or some wizard shit. Okay. So what this is going to do, right? You are the funniest fucking human on the planet. Okay, I hope you know that. You are the funniest man. Okay. Okay, so let's try this. What does this do? I think it's going to do, what it's going to do is print apple, banana, cherry going down. Just like this. Apple, banana, cherry. It's going to do this, but it's not going to have that. Bam! Let's remove this list. Like this. Bam! So, I'm thinking it's going to do the exact same thing. Exactly. Apple, banana, cherry. It goes down, just like that. That's what happens. Okay. So. Very curious. I'm very curious. I feel like a wizard right now. My friend, if life is fucking you, you know what you need to do? You need to fuck life back. You need to take your big girthy schlong and fuck life back in the ass, okay? If it's fucking you, reserve no hesitation to fuck it back. Okay? I don't you worry, baby. You take your time, okay? Fuck life back in the. Oh, you have a good one though, my friend. You have a very good one. I hope that you have a swell afternoon. Thank you for joining us. Sincerely, you're much fun. I appreciate you. I'm sure you joined the Discord, but join the Discord if you haven't. Okay. So, I'm still confused as to what. Let's run through this. What the fuck does this do right here? Okay. For I in range. So we're taking a range, and then what's happening right here is we can do, just to make it look pleasing to the eye, just so we know what the fuck's happening, right? For I in range, right here, we have 0. The range is going to be 0, and then look at this, length of this list. So however long this is, for I, which is whatever, whether it be a string, for whatever thing we're doing, right? This fucking mic stand's going to give me a seizure. What we're going to do, for I in range from, we don't even need the 0 right here, but it's starting automatically from 0 to the length of this list. No matter how far that is, no matter how big, no matter how small, no matter how girthy, we're going to iterate through it. And then for that, we're going to print this list I. Just like that. Just like that. Print this list I. Okay? I'm a little curious as to why we need this bit. One sec. Why do we need this bit? I can see why we need print this list. What if we're to just do this? Oh, print I. So I is, oh, that totally got it. I totally get it. This totally makes so much sense. Look at this, guys. Look at this, boys. Right? So I was curious, what happens? Why do we need to do this? Why do we need this list? And then I. Why do we even need to access this? Shouldn't we just print I? But guess what? I is the index number. I is the index number. It isn't Apple. It's the index number. So we need to say for the index number of this list. So for I in range of, and from range of the length of this list, whatever that is, print this list I. Totally makes sense. Totally makes sense. Massive W. All right. I was just oiling up afternoon. After lunch, I see one sexy man developing the Python codes. Instant turn on. You turn me on. You turn me on. Okay? Turn me on and then unplug the batteries to give me that shock, that cert. It is time to go to work, boys. It is time to go to work. But we're almost done. We're almost done. Okay, bye. See you. See you. My board exam is on Feb. Oh, board exam is on Feb 18th. Bye. Sorry. February, January, February. So you got like 20 days. Like 16 days. Yeah. Yeah. Range replaced by this gives each element in this list. Okay, range. Exactly, range. Exactly. Said well, my friend. Said very well. Okay. We understand this. Now we can use this while loop. I know we have to be to work right fucking now. Sacrifices must be made. Cool, cool. See, that's how you use brain vibe coders. Oh, cool, cool. See, that's how you use brain. Vibe coders, fuck. Here's the thing. There are two different types of vibe coders. Right? There are two different types of vibe coders. There is the vibe coder that is a lazy piece of shit and deserves to rot within the depths of unsuccess. But then there are the coders that know what they're doing, that have experience, that have done it for many years, and are trying to increase their workflow because they actually have a bunch of shit they need to get to. They have a bunch of shit they need to get to. Today, we have experienced the latter, which is the one that is educated and knows what they're doing, but needs to increase workflow. Those are the types of people that have already put in the work, okay? You have a vibe coder that has been lazy. This is what I used to do. I would just sit there, prompt away, and hope that the code fucking works and not know what the hell's happening. But then there's the other person that knows what they're doing, put in the work, and is vibe coding because it just increases their time, and if the program sucks shit, they can modify it themselves because they already put in the time and effort to get the education to know how to do that. So that's the difference between the two different vibe coders. There's vibe coders and then there's vibey coders, okay? We like vibey coders. Vibe coders are bad. Vibey coders, we vibe with them. You know what I'm saying? We vibe with them. So yeah. To make it simple, literally just learn, do the hard shit. You're back? That was quick. That was very quick. Do just for a while. Awesome. I mean, I actually need to be going like now. But yeah, so that's I guess what I'm trying to get at. There's two different vibe coders. be the one that puts in the work first. The one that learns how to code first. Don't be the lazy piece of shit that I used to be and just prompt until you run out of fucking tokens. Okay, don't be that guy. Be the guy that puts in the work and learns how to program. Okay. I am tired of study. That was quick, my friend. That was very quick. Okay. Using a while loop. You can loop through a list item by using the while loop. That's a wonderful thing. Are you in the 12th program? The fuck is this word? I hope I'm not about to look up porn or anything. Program. What? Are you going to come in India? Come in India and come to India are very different, my friends. Oh, you just going to come? Yeah, you just come in India. Okay. Or 10th. This seems like you are from India. No, I'm definitely not from India, my friend. I'm from the good old US of A, the land of the shitty presidents. You know, not to turn off anyone that is a Trump lover, but I'm just saying his economic, his ability to perform economic statuses is lacking. Let's just say that. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what that is, my friends. I really don't. Just search gamma meaning in Japanese. Yes, I am from... Oh, I know you're from India, my friend. Oh, shit. Don't tell him I have oil. You guys are silly. You guys are silly fucking people. You know that? Okay. We already know how to use the while loop. We already know how to do this, right? So, use the len function to determine the length of the list. Then, start at 0 and loop your way through the list items by referring to their indexes. We already know how to do this. I don't know why it just decided to talk about the while loop and then go down here and then do that. That's a little strange, to say the least. Ever think about vibe coding? I just yapped about that. I need you to go back about 5 minutes. I just gave a yap about that of the century. Okay. I just yapped about that. It was the best yap ever. And if you want to know my exact opinion about vibe coding, go back 5 minutes and I'm going to tell you exactly. But hey, my boy, thank you for joining us, though. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you being here. God damn it, I am late for work actively right now. Hey, if you are awesome and want to help a homie out, I have to go to work like right now. I'm actually late for work in 2 minutes. So I am late for work. I would appreciate it if you'd consider the notion. Come here. I would appreciate it if you consider the notion of subscribing right now. That don't mean a fucking lot to me. Okay. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. If you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see what that number currently is at. Right now, we're trying to make the Jerkinator 3000. What is that? A robot arm. Why are we learning Python? Because this thing right here, this driver board, drives this BLDC with a gear reduction motor on it, and it's able to push some P. I love how the moment I start talking about AI, it's like 10 seconds later, then a bunch of people that start talking about AI later, they're like, what's your opinion on AI? It's like, brother. But yeah, I would greatly appreciate it if you'd go back. No, sorry, I'm saying two different things. I would greatly appreciate it if you consider the notion of subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. For those of you that did, mwah, wet, slobbery, oiled up kisses for you, okay? We're looking good today. Okay. Okay. I'm like Jarvis with wingman features. What the fuck? I'm having a seizure reading that. Okay, so why? Okay, we already know how to do this. That's a cool way of doing that. Okay, bro, I am in. We have a question here. Bro, I am an... Is this an intra-day trader? I was a day trader once too. I, indeed, was a day trader. What the fuck is happening? Trading view. I once was a day trader as well. I did all the black magic shit with... Why is this zoomed in? It is zoomed in. Let's see. What is NVIDIA doing? I bet NVIDIA's gonna be up. Oh, it's the weekend. It's not doing anything. Yeah, it's the weekend. But yeah, once upon a time, I was a day trader as well. What was your question? It was... God, I need to just fucking focus. What was your question? Let's see. How to create a web page for live data analytics. If you're asking me how to do this, this is a good question, but unfortunately, there's a lot of steps involved in doing this. Personally, if you're a day trader, I would just find a place that provides that data automatically, so where you don't have to learn an entirely new programming set just to be able to access that data live. But also, because you're a day trader, like, it's cool that you click on this type of video. It really is really cool. We talk about stocks, indexes, futures, shit like that. I mean, seldomly on this channel, but we do mention it sometimes. We do mention wonderful stuff like that. So I unfortunately can't help you because the question requires a lot of in-depth knowledge, but it's a W question. I would personally go to just websites that already provide that stuff. You already know this, I'm sure. If you want to buy anything without looking at the price tag, just work harder without looking at the time. Or just buy the thing without looking at the price tag. And just, if a transaction goes through, then you have enough money. And if it doesn't, you don't. Continue working. I was going to make an if statement. I was going to actually like make that, but we literally have to be to work 3 minutes ago. And we had to be at work 3 minutes ago. I need to go to my job right now. But instead I'm here reading YouTube chat, which is great. Don't get me wrong. I'd rather be doing this right here. Okay. First, you need to sleep. Then dream. Said well, my friend. Or could become blind and buy things without looking at the price. Exactly. Said well, my friend. Said well. Yo, search the meaning of Goyo in Japanese, please, now. No. No. Let's see. Yes. Brother, search it. Brother, no. Ooh, my boy. My boy, how you doing? How you doing? It is nice seeing you again. It is nice seeing you. I hope you're having a swell time. Things are becoming more expensive. So instead I choose crack. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an intellect inside the chat. We have an intellect. Look at this. I need everyone to look at this and pay the fuck attention. Things are becoming expensive. So instead, I choose crack. Wonderful advice, my friend. I think everyone can learn a little bit from that. That is some 10 out of 10 advice. It was a motivational speech, man. Damn right it was. Please, you won't regret it, man. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Just for you, my friend. Just for you. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds, my friend. I'm so lost. The thing you told me to search was sesame seeds. Okay. When I double When I doubt, crack, rock out. When in doubt, crack, rock out. Words of wisdom right there. When in doubt, get that crack in the spout and go and shout and get in a fight with your neighbor. Because, yeah. Okay, don't do drugs. Do code, become bald, oil up like me, Tommy Hold. No, when in doubt, do drugs and get oiled up. You're a little mistaken, just a little bit, but that's okay. No, it means cow dung. Gayoma means. Yeah. Okay, brothers. I need to go to fucking work right now. Here's what I need every single one of you to do right the fuck now. We are programming in Python. We're programming in Python. You know, why are we programming in Python? Most of you already know why we're programming in Python. It's to build the Jerkinator 2 or 3000, whatever I say is what it is. But this thing requires Python. This specific board requires Python, which I'm sending back, actually. Well, we're going to get to that later. But what I need you to do right now, if you've had a good time or you think that this was the least educational or most educational stream you've ever witnessed, you need to consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. It really would. I need to go to work. I'm currently late for work. But I would rather be here talking with y'all. And if you think that you would rather be here talking with me instead of me going to work as well, you subscribing would be getting us just so much closer to that goal. Thank you, boys, for being here. What we need to do, of course, per ritual, is get the craziest schizophrenic funk going because, yeah, that's what we need to do. I appreciate every single one of you for being here. I'm gonna need some crack and beat up some meat. Not a bad idea. No, you can't do the work if you work for 1 minute. You are gay. Yeah. Unfortunately, that job provides me with money to do drugs, to do Schedule 1 narcotics. And we need that. We need to be able to do Schedule 1 narcs. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys pro Mike sniff, dude. Bye. Okay, boy. I hope you guys have a good one.
Guardando attentamente i monumenti, la classica straniera con un'aria strana che gira stanca tutta la città. A un certo punto della passeggiata mi chiama da una parte un ragazzino, sembrava a prima vista tanto per benino, si offre a far da guida per la città. Pedro, praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, fidati di me. Pedro, praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, fidati di me.
And remember, my boys. Above all else, remember, stay focused. Goodbye. Mwah.